Welcome to Sherwood Buick GMC. Today we're going to be taking a look at this pre-owned 2017 Ram 3500 Laramie Sport equipped with the Appearance Package. This Ram comes equipped with a custom two-tone paint job, and under the hood sits a 6.7-liter Cummins turbo diesel engine that produces 385 horsepower and 900 foot-pounds of torque. Also equipped is a leveling kit, color-matched fender flares, and 20-inch aftermarket fuel wheels, heated power folding tow mirrors, and keyless entry. Moving to the back of the vehicle, we have our park assist sensors as well as LED taillights and a trailer hitch receiver. This Ram has a towing capacity up to 17,050 pounds. Moving to the inside of the vehicle, we have our automatic headlight controls with automatic high beams, as well as a memory driver seat, a power sunroof, and heated and cooled power adjustable leather seats. This Ram is also equipped with a heated steering wheel, cruise control, and Bluetooth connectivity that allows for hands-free calling. Also equipped is an Alpine sound system, push-button start, and a touchscreen display that shows the vehicle's navigation system, SiriusXM radio, and backup camera. Equipped for your comfort are dual-zone climate controls, and on the vehicle's key fob we have a remote start and entry buttons. And moving to the back of the vehicle, we have a heated 60/40 split folding rear bench seat, as well as our in-floor storage compartments